Don't you think so? This has come as a sudden surprise for you also. Not informing your party leaders, not informing your supporters, not informing who have worked for you at the ZP and all, and then suddenly doing this. What could be the reason you feel?
Whenever a person commits suicide, that person never consult anybody. If he consult and speak with anyone before committing a suicide, that person will never commit suicide.
So this is a harakiri.
This is complete suicide. What she has done is a suicide because she has not consulted even her closest persons.
काय म्हणटा तुमकां कन्सल्ट केलेले जाल्यार तुमी वसोंक दिवचे ना हांगा.
How it is if her thing is so strong, then it's easy. No, nobody can convince her. Correct. So she should have consulted before somebody who were close who stood by her during the difficult times. I spoke to all of them. All were taken by surprise with her decision. So it looks like it's a suicide. So any person when he commits suicide, he does not talk to anybody, he commits suicide. Otherwise, that suicide never happens.
Was she used in politics for the sake of certain leaders like this? She said, use and throw म्हणटा पळय तशें. Because even when she was not willing to contest, she was forced to contest.
See, I've contested several elections for the sake of party. When it comes to party cadre, see, many individuals contest election for their self. Sometimes you have to contest election for the sake of party against. I was asked to contest Panjim. I know what I was asked to contest the election in North Goa, where I was never interested. In both the cases I refused and I gave them alternate candidate also. But I never, after losing, because I contested for the party, I was knowing that I am losing. But sometimes you have to contest for the sake of party. And I did that, but I never complained against anybody. I have discussed whatever happened during both the election and party forum.
Yes, what happens now when such type of incidents happen? How would you gain confidence in people who are especially real Congress voters? Because हो येता वो वयता हो येता हें कितें जाता लोकांच्या मनान तो आतां भंय उरला बाबा काँग्रेसूय तशेंच जाल्या आनी वाय वी शूड वोट. हाऊ वूड यू गेन दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स? बिकॉज एके सायडच्यान यू आर ट्रायंग टू बिल्ड इट अप इन युअर वेज, ट्रायंग टू पीपल जॉयनींग काँग्रेस. एट द सेम टायम जे तुमचें आसता पळय ते कितें कितें एलिगेशनां करता तुमचेर आनी दुसरे कडेन जॉयन जाता. हाऊ वूड यू सी दीस?
These allegations have no meaning when these allegations are done on the platform of our opponents. Now today what she speaks by sitting on the Aam Aadmi platform does not have any meaning, because the script is given by Aam Aadmi Party. Those who join BJP, the script is given by the BJP leaders. Now, in spite of all this, the people started joining Congress Party. Various leaders are joining Congress Party. So these things who are living when the party was going through difficult time, they are going for their selfish motive, selfish benefit. And it does not affect, it pains us, but it will not affect us. If one Pratima goes, 10 Pratimas will be created in the Congress Party.
At one point of time, we can say is that you have 6 months or 7 months down the lane as far as assembly elections are concerned. 5 MLAs here, 4 to 5 MLAs here. How is it difficult task for Girish now to build up this, to see that at least you gain confidence among people and majority of MLAs come from your side?
See, definitely the difficulty was the day our 10 MLAs left. Reorganization party is not a difficult task which we have started. But most challenging is the winning the trust of the people. So our challenge is to win over the people more than winning the elections. Now we have many ways to win the elections, but we want to win the elections by winning the people.
Have you all?
First, we want to win the people, and we can win the people only by winning the trust of the people.
Don't you think so? People are being